guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another plant video. I know that it's been a while since you've last seen me, and I know that this isn't a semi-hydro video like I said that I was gonna post before, but that video I talked in circles and I felt like I had certain things that I wanted to say, but it wasn't organized in a way that I felt like would be super educational. I again know that I'm not an expert in semi-hydro, and I guess I just got a little nervous, so the video just didn't come out great. I did ask you guys to give me some questions so that I can answer, so maybe I can add on to that semi-hydro video that I already filmed, but I pretty much came to the conclusion that I should just refilm it all. So that video should be coming on Wednesday. I am hoping to film and edit that video on Wednesday. So again, I'm really sorry that it's taken so long. I know, you guys already know, and you're probably sick of me apologizing already, but I've been busy with school. For those of you who don't know and are new, and hello, welcome. I'm Alessia. I like plants. I'm a little weird. I'm in nursing school, and honestly, it's really not that much of an excuse. Like, I know that there are people out there who have jobs and make videos, or they are also in nursing school and they make videos, but I just feel like I do not have the time, or I did not have the time because my schedule was so weird. Luckily, my last clinical was this Saturday, so I rewarded myself with a plant, which is what we're doing today. It's been a long time since I've filmed. It is a Scindapsus Silver Satin. I know that some people have different names for this plant, but I'm super excited because I have the Scindapsus Exotica, the Silvery Ann. I actually have two Scindapsus Exoticas, and I have the regular, ooh, my hair is stuck on that. And then I have the regular Scindapsus Argyraeus, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it has gotten really long and it is adorable. I love Scindapsus so much. It's one of my favorite plants, and I feel like I just can't get enough of them, and I didn't have this one, and I am so excited to be able to open it today. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, it's been a while since I've ordered from Gabriellaplants, and it's Gabriellaplants, Alessia. It is Gabriellaplants. They have a channel. If you guys don't know, you guys should go check it out. I'll link their channel down below, but Shane is the, I want to say, owner, or he pretty much runs Gabriellaplants, like, along with his team, and he has a channel where he correctly says Gabriellaplants, and I do not know why my brain cannot process that is how you say the name of this company. It might not matter too much, and he probably doesn't care, but it bothers me. But yeah, they included a unboxing guide. I know that some stuff with their shipping has also changed. They've added like a winter protection, which in my opinion is very smart of them. They've added like a different shipping option where you are basically buying insurance and like a heat pack. I ended up doing it because it was super cold the day in Houston that I decided to order, and I was like, you know what? Just in case something bad happens and it does end up getting cold damage, why not just pay the extra? I think it's $5. So if you guys want more information about that, they have a bunch of information on their website about it. But yes, they do have like winter protection insurance that you can buy with your plant order. So let us open this baby. Okay, so it does look like some soil has come out, so I'm thinking it's gonna be similar to my very first Gabriella unboxing that I ever did, where the plant is pretty much like high up here, but let's just see. Do you see it? Oh, wowza. I don't know if you guys can see, but the root system on this guy is really popping out of there. I might have to switch this over to a different pot, but I'm gonna give it some time to acclimate first. But look how stinking pretty this plant is. I love this plant. It's pretty much exactly what I thought it was gonna be. They have a picture on their Instagram that pretty much shows the difference between the silver satin, the exotica, the regular Scindapsus, and the Silvery Ann, but I kind of want to show you guys too, just because, you know, why not? I have all of them. Let's look at them. So this is a silver satin. So the speckles on this are more of like a mottled, speckly sort of leaf, and it's similar to the original Scindapsus that you can find at Home Depot and stuff. It's very similar to that, except the leaves are in the same sort of shape as the exotica. So let me show you guys the exotica. So as you guys can tell, both of these leaf shapes are very large. The Scindapsus Exotica has a whole lot more silveryness to it, but this one is more of like a splashy, like, I don't know how to describe it, but you guys can see. One of them is way more silver. There's a lot more silver around the edges. There's a lot more silver just everywhere. And this one is pretty much solely in the middle of the plant. And then compared to the original, you can tell that the leaves on this guy are much larger than this one. And this one also has some rimming around the edge of the leaves. As you can see, there's some rimming. And then on this one, the rimming is very subtle. It's not as stark as the other one, or there's just no rimming at all. So that's the difference between these. And then if you're wondering, I don't think this really has much to do with the comparison of this one, but if you're wondering what the difference between the regular Scindapsus and the Scindapsus Silvery Ann was, I also have the Silvery Ann. The Silvery Ann, as you can see, has a much more unexpected pattern than the regular Scindapsus. So this has a lot more silvery splotches. This one doesn't have any silver pretty much. This one has silvery splotches in like a very odd pattern. And this one, you can tell exactly what it looks like and the difference between these. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am actually currently studying and was in the middle of studying for an exam that I have on Monday, and I am procrastinating and I decided to film this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions or just want to talk, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram to get a little bit more updates from me, then go ahead and do that at Lessyasleaves. But yeah, if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button down below. And if you like me and you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that is going to be it for today's video. So I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!